3, 2, 1.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you for the chance given to me. And I'm standing here to deliver my presentation. My presentation is about how to look beautiful without makeup. I believe each of you wants to have a beautiful skin, and I believe that all of you want to feel confident with your skin, with your face. So whenever you will look yourself in the mirror, you will not try to hiding it from anyone. So in the next 5 minutes, I will explain to you a few tips on how to look good without wearing makeup. Well, the first tip is you have to eat a good healthy diet. This statement includes not eating fast food and bad processed food, sweets, and any kind of food that contains a lot of fat. Why we have to do this? It's just a simple reason: you are what you eat. So, for instance, if you eat too much fried food, it will cause bad effect on your skin. Your skin will not. Your skin won't look so beautiful. Your skin won't look so glowy, and it will cause a bad smell of your body, and also trust me that it will affect your weight. So please cut off all that bad processed food and start to eat a healthy food. And next is you need to drink a lot of water. Why do you need to drink a lot of water? As we know that water is really good for our body. It refreshes our body and it energizes our body. And the best effects from drinking a lot of water is it will flush out your body from toxins. So it will make your body healthier, and it will reflect through your skin. So your skin will look glowy, shiny, bright, and trust me that you won't need to use any BB cream. So drink a lot, it helps a lot. And next is please have a daily skincare routine. Daily skincare routine doesn't mean that you have to do a special expensive treatment. No, not at all. It's just you have to pay attention, and all you have to do is just wash your face every single night and every single morning. And also you have to make sure that you tone your face well, you moisturize your face well, and you have to choose the best sunscreen. Sunscreen is really important because it is help you a lot with a protection from the sunburn. You know, sunburn is really bad for our skin. It will ruin your skin. It will make many wrinkles on your face, and it will age your skin prematurely. And then the next the last tips but not least is beauty sleep. You need sleep a lot. Why do we need to sleep? Because sleep will transform you. You're rejuvenating your skin, and your skin will restore itself at night, probably at 9 or 10 o'clock. So the best time for you to sleep is around 8 o'clock. And the most important is you need to sleep at least 8 hours in a night, because it will help you to get a beautiful skin, and all the dark circles will go away, so you won't need to use any concealer.